Welcome to IM Language YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you one of the student accommodation from IM Language School located here in Malta. It's Lima. This is Suite Block, one of the places where our students live during their English course. So let's take a look inside and see how student life here looks like. We start from the living room. It's a shared space where our students can relax, study or spend time together. Also, there is a balcony here. It's a great spot to get some fresh air. You can also drink your morning coffee here and up your energy. Next, we are going to the kitchen area. Here, students have everything they need for daily cooking, including a refrigerator, oven and storage space. It's fully equipped, so students can easily prepare their own meals during their stay. And now we arrive at one of the triple rooms here. This room is designed for 3 students sharing the space. Each student has their own bed, wardrobe and personal area, making it both comfortable and practical. And one important thing to mention is that each room has its own bathroom, makes living here much more convenient. So living in IM school accommodation, it's a great way to meet new people, experience international student life and feel at home while studying in Malta. So we hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Suite Block and we look forward to welcoming you in IM Language School.